I'm Kyle Seudeal. I'm one of the general surgeons. I work with Franciscan Physician Network. So I was inspired to get into medicine. I had a lot of exposure to doctors growing up, and I thought it was pretty cool to be able to heal someone who was sick and, just not feeling great. And then why I chose general surgery specifically, I always enjoyed biology lab dissections, being a hands-on learner. So it was kind of the best of both worlds. I was able to help heal people, but also use my hands when I became a surgeon. A general surgeon manages diseases like appendicitis, gallbladder problems, hernia problems. Really, a lot of our work is managing things within the belly. So sometimes if patients have issues with their bowels or their colon, a lot of that falls within the realm of a general surgeon's practice. My philosophy of care when taking care of patients is to try to simplify things. I mean, medicine and diseases, the pathologies can be very complex. And I believe that the best way to take care of the patient is to try to simplify what's going on and to help them understand what's happening, because the more the patient understands with what's going on, the easier it is for them to make decisions regarding their care moving forward. The thing I'm most passionate about in medicine overall is seeing my patients living their life. When you operate on someone, they're gonna have to recover. You're gonna have pain, discomfort, nausea, so forth. You just feel crummy, and then get to see them down the road back to living their life, having recovered from everything. That to me is a very satisfying victory, so to speak, knowing that I really truly helped that patient. What I like to do in my time off, so I'm married and I have 3 young children. If it's not taking them to sports or just the hustle and bustle of being busy parents, my wife and I, we really like going out in town, trying new restaurants around town where you both really enjoy board games, and nothing is more relaxing than playing a board game at home at night after the kids are in bed. The one piece of advice that I would give my patients is to not take their health for granted. Stay on top of your health. Get plugged in with a primary care provider. Franciscan has many providers across the board and who can help to navigate the health system, advocate for your overall health, and really help if there are any problems, identify them early so that we can keep you out of trouble.